Hello friends, this is Miss Rachel with the Prattville Public Library, and today we are making our Tuesday Zoom live storytime craft for our preschool story time on Zoom at 10 a.m. You can, if you want to join in on the story times, message us on Facebook or email rparlier@appl.info for the meeting code. Today we're going to need our template. We actually have two templates for this craft. So we have the color cards, we have some mice, and you will also need your one blue half sheet of paper. We're going to save the other one for our other craft. And we're going to grab our two little dot stickers sets. So that's what we'll need from our kit. You'll also want to have a glue stick, colors, and scissors. So the first thing we're going to do is cut out our color cards, and we're just going to cut along the black lines, or as close to them as you'd like to get. We're kind of making like flashcards for ourselves so that we can practice these different colors and work on our color and letter and word recognition. Okay, so our color cards are cut out. They look wonderful. We'll set them aside, and then we're going to cut out our mice. I'm going to do a little bit of extra room around the mice, just to make it a little bit easier for myself. But if you want to cut the mice out very closely to their black lines, you may. Some of you are going to have 3 mice. Some of you are going to have 4 mice. It's totally okay, just so long as you can get them to fit on your paper. That is the main thing. And if they don't all fit on your paper, that's okay. You can save a mouse for another activity for later. I'm going to throw away my scraps so that we keep our work area nice and tidy. And then I'm going to glue with my glue stick these mice onto our paper. There's one. Here's 2. And my 3rd mouse. And then finally, our last step, this is a real simple craft today, is to put our color dots over the mice so that they can be reaching for their paints, reaching for their colors. And I'm going to put them just all over, kind of randomly. But then what you can do with your grown-ups is your grown-ups or parents can point to a color, and then you can find the card that goes with it. And so on and so forth. So I hope you guys have fun with today's craft. You can also add more colors with your colors on the mice or on the paper, however you see fit, and use your imaginations. I hope you guys enjoyed today's activity, and I hope you have a wonderful, excellent day. Bye.